Pagoda na mataas pa ang paa. Sunday is holiday. Thank you, Lord, for the food. Ano miss ko to? Kung yung series yung bibilin mo, no? Kaya siguro yung iba na-addict talaga, eh, no? Window shopping! What's that? What's this? What's this? What's that? Okay. Flash? Nakakatemp. What color is Elmo? Do you want that? Do you want Elmo? Where's the other Elmo? Come on. Okay. Wow. Okay. Excited na siya sa ice cream niya, Dad. Pay muna, nak. Papa-punch muna lang muna kay sir. Ano gusto mo? Ayan. Sige na, try natin. Dali. Sabi mo, yan kasi. Sabi ko pala kayo weekend yan. Isa pa to. Donut.
Gathering sticks in a forest. At last, he grew very tired
Nakikinig talaga siya.
and hopeless.